Hello all. In this video, we will be learning few of the Python programs. So the very first Python program is area of a triangle. So here we are giving the values for three sides. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6 and C is equal to 7. So three of the values I am giving, and based on the three values, I have to find area of a triangle. So we know that area of the triangle formula is S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, which is used to determine the semi-perimeter, and after determining the semi-perimeter, I have to determine area. So the formula is given in the program. Area is equal to S into, which is nothing but the semi-perimeter, S into S minus A multiplied with S minus B multiplied with S minus C whole power of zero point 0.5. So whenever you have double star in the Python program, which means that it is a power or exponential. So here, in spite of getting the values from the user, we are directly giving the values. So A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6, and C is equal to 7. Or else, if you want the user to enter the value, you can get the value from the user through the options like A is equal to float of input, enter first side. So the user will enter the first value. B is equal to float of input, enter second side. The user will enter the second edge. C is equal to float of input, enter the third side. The user will enter the edge or the size of the third side of a triangle. So these three comments or the codes which we are not using according to this program because they are in the hashtag. So S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, which is nothing but to determine the semi-perimeter, and then we are giving the value area is equal to S multiplied with S minus A multiplied with S minus B, S minus C power exponential 0.5. Print of the area of a triangle is percentage of 0.2 of M, which means that I want the output to be for two decimal places only. So 0.2 of M, percentage of the area. So the area of the triangle is 14.70. So next program is Python program to determine swap of two variables. I am swapping the two values. For example, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3 means A is equal to 3 I am swapping and B is equal to 2 I am swapping. So that is the main objective of this Python program. So X is equal to 5, we are defining the value. Y is equal to 10, we are defining the value according to the program. If you want the user to give the values, then X is equal to input, enter value of X, Y is equal to input, enter value of Y. So this is also an option, you can get it. So here, according to this program, we are introducing a term called temp, T-E-M-P. So temp is equal to X. So in the temp value, I'm keeping the X. In the X value, I'm keeping the Y. In the Y value, I'm keeping the temp. So all the values get exchanged or interchanged. X value will get the place of Y. Y value will get the place of X. So that is the main objective of introducing the term temp. Temp is equal to X. X is equal to Y. Y is equal to temp. So here we have swapped the values of X and Y. Print the value of X after swapping dot format of X. Print the value of Y after swapping dot format of Y. So this curly bracket indicates that it is going to be a value, and that value we are going to get using the temp. So the output are introduced here. Outputs get displayed here. For the next Python program is area of a circle. Area of a circle, we know the formula as pi r square. Pi is a value, r is a radius of the circle. So here we have several methods to determine the area of a circle. The very first method is introducing the term called math.pi. Math.py in Python program is a very important function which represents the symbol pi, mathematical symbol pi. So I have to import that value. I have to say the system that I'm going to use this value. Import math pi. R is equal to 5. So that I'm giving the value. Area is equal to math.pi multiplied with r square multiplied with r star star asterisk asterisk 2, which means that r square. So that value will be stored in area and I have to print the value. Print of area. So the output will get displayed as 78.53. So this is how you can determine the area of a circle. So I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Radhika.